Hello, today's screencast is just going to be over some basic Spanish phrases that you can use with your Spanish-speaking students and also maybe with their parents. So we are going to cover greetings and goodbyes. The first word that you can pronounce is hola. Hola means hello. Next, adios. Hola and adios. So next time you see your kids and they come into class, you can say hola and adios, and these are words you may be familiar with. Then we're going to talk about the times of the day. So buenos días means good morning. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. Notice that it's buenos with an os, días, and buenas tardes. Buenas noches means good night or sometimes good evening. So to review, if you want to repeat them after me, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Here are some more goodbyes. Hasta luego means see you soon. Hasta, you notice the H is silent because in Spanish, H's aren't pronounced. Hasta luego. Hasta la vista means see you soon. Hasta la vista. And the final one is hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. It means see you tomorrow. So remember the H is silent in Spanish, and the N with the squiggle on the top is called an ñ, and it is pronounced like an N and a Y together, a ñ sound. So hasta mañana. Here are some greetings that you would use in following situations. Try to figure these out. We've had hola, adios, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. So look at these pictures and the times and try to figure out which ones that you would use. Let's look at those a little longer. So for example, 6 p.m., if you wrote buenas noches, that would be good. 10 a.m. for B, buenos días, C, buenos días, or maybe hasta luego, see you later, or you could even say hola if you were just greeting them. Okay, so now we're going to cover asking someone how they are. So a very informal way of asking someone, how are you? This is something you could use with your students, but I wouldn't really use this in a parent-teacher conference. You can say, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? It loosely means what's up, or how you doing. It's a very informal way. ¿Qué tal? Here's an answer. You could answer ¿qué tal? With estupendo. Estupendo, which means stupendous. ¿Qué tal? Remember, is an easy way of saying how are you. Muy bien is another way you can answer ¿qué tal? Muy bien. Means very well. Bien. Bien means well or good. So estupendo is super good, great. Muy bien, very well. Bien as well. So let's practice. ¿Qué tal? What did you answer? If someone asked me, ¿qué tal? I would say, muy bien, gracias. Then we have mal. Mal. All of the A's in Spanish are pronounced ah. So not a sound, it'll be ah. Mal. And that's bad or not well. Then you have the worst, which is fatal, which is super, super bad, awful. So ¿Qué tal? Muy bien. Estupendo. Don't forget to say thank you, which is gracias. Gracias. And if you want to say you're welcome, it is de nada. D-E, next word, N-A-D-A. De nada. If you want to say and you, like to ask, how are you doing also, and you say y tú, y tú. Remember that the Y is pronounced like a long E. Y tú. Okay, so what are the people in this picture saying to each other? Hola, Paula. Hola, Claudio. ¿Qué tal? And then she says, muy bien, gracias. ¿Y tú? So take a second and replicate this dialogue. Okay, bien, gracias. Hasta la vista, Paula. Hasta luego, Claudia. Or Claudio, sorry, he's a boy. Hasta la vista, Paula. Hasta luego, Claudio. So they had a whole meet and greet. So here's your first challenge. Go around the classroom, or if you're just using, this is a tutorial, you can practice with one of your students and ask at least 3 of your different students how they are. Your next challenge is in a book or on a scratch piece of paper, try to create a mini cartoon, or you can just create a mini dialogue like you have previously seen of the hellos and goodbyes. Here are some extension activities. If you're asking for someone's name or saying your name, this is how you ask. This will be very useful with some of your students. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Double L's are always Y sounds. ¿Cómo te llamas? So you can say to your student, ¿Cómo te llamas? When they enter your class. The answer, the response would be me llamo, and then whatever your name is. Me llamo Bob. Me llamo Daniela. So, ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Daniela. Double L's are Y sounds. What's your name? And it is I am called, because we don't say my name is. A lot of people accidentally say me llamo es, but that is not correct. You don't need the is there. You just need me llamo. Okay, so here is your final challenge. You can go around the classroom or practice with your Spanish-speaking students and ask at least 3 different people you don't know their name. If you're in the hallway doing hallway duty and you want to stop someone and say, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Or you can say, ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo te llamas? And just practice your Spanish. So listen and read, and then match up these questions with their answers. Hola, Sergio, ¿qué tal? The next one says, Jorge, hola, ¿qué tal? C says, hola, señora Martínez, ¿cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? The usted, the UD, is the formal. So if you're talking to another adult, someone older than you, or a student is talking to a teacher, you want to say, ¿Cómo está usted? And then D, ¿Cómo estás, Patricia? How are you, Patricia? ¿Cómo estás? So which ones would these match with? Hola, Sergio, ¿qué tal? Would probably be number 2 or number 3. Bien, ¿y tú? Or mal. B, Jorge, hola, ¿qué tal? Could be 2 or 3 again. Sí, hola, señora Martinez. ¿Cómo está usted? Would be number 4, regular, which means regular, regular. ¿Y usted? And you? Usted is the formal you. So, ¿y tú? Is informal. ¿Y usted? Is formal. And then, ¿cómo estás, Patricia? Fatal. She is not doing very good. Well, this is the end of your greetings and goodbyes lesson. Please practice these with students, see how it goes, and I'll be back again for another lesson next time.